Problem: leaking faucet. First, turn off the water. Right here. Next, use a 3mm Allen key wrench. Take out the set screw. Next, pull off the top. Now you just gotta undo this cap. And this thing just pops out. See this little ball right here? This just comes out right there. Now if you look inside here, you can see 2 gaskets and 2 springs. 1, 2. You can use the Allen key to just pop it in there, pop it out. So there's 1 gasket and 1 spring. There's 1 for each side, the cold and the hot water. So the replacement, I got these at True Value for like $3.50. I got the long ones and the short ones just because I wasn't sure if which ones I needed. So I wanted to be sure to have them both. So as you can see, there's 2 short ones, 2 long ones. Same for the gaskets, 2 short ones, 2 long ones. I actually have the short style right there, so these are the ones I'm going to use. You want to install it with the wider portion down and the narrower portion on top. And this cap just fits over top. Just like that. So now, just put this back in there. There we go. And do that for the other side. Now that you got both of them seated in there, push them down to make sure they're fully flush in there. Now put it back together, put this thing in here. See this little slot right here? This goes right where that little notch is to the right down there. There we go. Now you have this little cap, put it in here. There's a little notch that's to the right here. Make sure you push that down. Push it down real good. Make sure you push it down with 2 hands until it's nice and solid in there. Then put this over top. There you go, do a hand tight. Then you're going to want a 1/4 turn. There you go. So when you're putting this on, if you look on the inside, this little hole right here, that's what goes on right here. So just put that over top. Now I just got to put the set screw back in. There you go. And then turn back on the water and try it out. Now, no more drips.